crafty friends, today I want to share with you guys another explosion box that I have done. This explosion box, I made it for a friend. She asked me if I could make one for her so she could give it in the baby shower. And I told her yeah, because she saw the one that I made for my friend at work, and she said she wanted one for a boy, and I told her okay. And yeah, so this is what I did for her, and it's really pretty. I love how it came out. I used the paper is from the Sweetest Thing collection from Recollection, and this is what I did to the box. I think that making a boy is kind of hard because I don't like to put flowers or anything like that. Here's some stars, a cake, and it says Bond of Joy. And here it says congrats, it's a boy. And here I just made a bow and put this tiny baby there. And right here on the sides I used a EK Success Punch. This has ABC and 1, 2, 3, and this is the bottom. And yeah, I really love how it came out. It's really pretty, and I just put blue lace around here, and this is how it opens. Oops, this one got stuck. But yeah, and it's really simple. I just put again the punch around here and here, and I put I use the round things that you get from the lace, and I use that, and I just put a lace around it, this bow, and a blue half pearl. And right here you can see he's putting the baby. So yeah, this is what I did, and this is what has in the middle, and I hope my friend likes it. I really love how it came out. It's really cute. So yeah, thank you all guys for watching, and have a nice day. Oh, and I have a process video of how I constructed the box, because I didn't had a chance to go and buy a box at Dollar Tree, so I had to make one myself. And good thing I had this cardboard. It's really thick. A friend at work gave it to me. She used to work in like a factory where they I don't know what they do, but they have coins, collection coins. That's what they do. And yeah, she brought me those. And yeah, if you guys want to stay tuned for the process video, so you guys can see. And thank you all for watching. Thank you all for commenting, and have a nice day. Bye.